Should I do the thing you're gonna do and say we're going to Utah and then cut? No, nobody's here for good vlogs. Go to his for good vlogs. You go to mine for me saying that this cloud looks like a poop on top of the smoke, and it looks like we're going to hell. And now I don't have comments on my video because Kylie's in it. Anyway, go to the community tab to comment on this vlog. That seems to be working. We're going to Utah. Mm-hmm. Did I say that already? I've had a migraine for probably 2 weeks at this point. Goodbye. Goodbye, we're going to Utah. We're gonna breathe some fresh air.
So we're setting up our tents. Ryan's doing his orange one. That's Sam's tent. That's our tent. Ryan's tent. Mom. And we're just waiting for Sam and his brother. I don't remember his name. So we're gonna start putting stuff in the tents. It's very cold.
Oh god.
Jaws. Oh god, this is a big guy.
Oh, oh, oh! Oh my gosh, it's a huge one!
I got, oh wow, that's right. I'm tripping all over my face. As you know, I cut my finger.
Tell him what happened.
So, I was trying to take the bait off the hook because it wasn't working. And Lucy came running up to me. And the hook that I was handling got submerged into my finger. And Lucy broke off half of it. So part of the hook was still in my finger.
It was really in there.
It was?
Yeah.
Really?
Like hanging out, like we had to pull it out.
Oh gosh. Yeah. I'm glad I wasn't there for that. They let me sleep in for like 2 extra hours. Well, not even 2. It was, like, you guys left at 5. Yeah. They went and picked me up at 9. How many fish have we caught so far?
I don't remember.
7 today.
I don't remember.
How many have you caught yourself?
I don't remember.
Like 3 or 2?
I caught more than 4.
If there's only 7, you probably only caught 2 of them, right?
I got at least 4 of them.
Wanna put some new bait on yours?
Sure.
Ooh.
Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Oh, you're so cute and fat. Oh God, it's so cute. No, don't go under our car. Go, go. Whoops. I sat in sap.
Look at this girl's butt. She pooped. Bethany won't tell you this, but she made this. She fried it and perfected it, and it's really
You fried that one.
Besides this one. Oh, ruining the shot. Oh no, ruining the shot. Let me tell you about the most beautiful girl in the world. I just love her so much.
You like jazz?
Mommy, look at that view. No, you're supposed to go.
I leave them alone for 1 second, and this is what happens. Oh my god.
They're really off the rails now.
We're in the 5th dimension here. We got Ranky organic virgin coconut oil.
And
fresh double stuffed Oreos.
Fresh.
Sam Best
From the factory.
Blewett. And a couple of...
and in case the video missed it, we are frying it in the same oil as the fish and the same batter as the fish.
It's just not gonna be good. I just am fully calling this now. It's gonna taste like fish. It's gonna taste like fishy.
Also, there's a little bit of fish bits coming out onto the Oreo.
Uh-huh.
It's all good.
What is it?
It's a fork.
A fork? Something in the tree. There's something.
It's light in color. Look at this.
This dog.
Ladies. They were
Oh my gosh. This is like New Zealand. They're so cute. Stopped at a German bakery. Got a, what is this? Cherry pocket. Got a bear claw of some sort. And lots of croissants. Ooh, that looks good. Kylie's tooth is falling out and it hurts.
Oh no.
Ew. I don't want to see it.